BMW E-Series owners, listen up. Today we're assembling the electric power steering, EPS, for E30, E36, E46, plus we'll cover E53 power steering fluid differences, lots of useful tips. I'd like to briefly introduce the electric power steering system. This system uses an electric motor to provide steering assistance, eliminating the need for a hydraulic pump. It enables more precise and accurate cornering, while reducing operating system and maintenance costs. Whether it's low-speed control or high-speed stability, EPS delivers a more comfortable and safer driving experience. First, install the core EPS component. Whether it's E30, E36 or E46, the EPS motor ports and brackets fit perfectly. Align the screw holes and tighten. Solid fixing prevents wobbling later. Next, connect the steering wheel. E30, E36, E46 steering wheels fit the EPS shaft seamlessly. Insert and tighten the nut. Give it a turn. No jams, no play. Perfect feel. Power on test. Turning the wheel is super easy, way more flexible than traditional hydraulic power. Unlike E53, which needs regular fluid top-ups, E30, E36, E46 EPS is maintenance-free, hassle-free, and durable. Finally, here's a close-up of the EPS installed and the steering wheel turning. The motor runs smoothly, and the connection is secure. Whether you have an E30, E36, or E46, this EPS system will improve the steering experience. Any questions? Let us know in the comments.